next day.
Ha ha! It's not a ball running through, look.
There we go.
It's just extremely fucking snug. That's gonna have to go. So I'm gonna have to like cut that and cut there, you know, just so I can get in, because with that gone, I might
Would it make it any easier tilting it and maybe taking the weight so you can get in more?
I don't think it's making, well, you're on about like the bike lying down sort of thing.
So it's tilting more to the right, so you've got more space to get in?
No, I don't think that's going to make, because I could get to there, so it might be a like, get you to hold that up, you know, so it's held up out the way, or just like if it's a wedge somewhere, and then very very fucking carefully, like get it here first, start it up, and then I've got about that much, which is about how thick it is, so oh no, that's yours. Finally, it's fucking out. From that hole into this hole. Never buying or lowering a fucking Sprint again.
Tissue on you.
Cheers, mate. That's a fucking bit higher off the floor, isn't it? That's higher off the floor.
So you're going to be able to...
We can move it.
You're going to be able to sit on it and test it, are you? And test the...
It's not going to be bang on, because if you look, I've just put a fucking extension bar in. You can't see it, that's all right. Yeah, it needs to do, because you don't, I know you don't want it in your shed any longer. I see how she sounds. With no silencer. expecting, to be fair. Happy fucking days. The ones I brought are the same size. So fucking sweet. Before we go anywhere next this year. Okay. Let's see if I can. If you're that size, you are that size. It's just a shame about staff having to. Well, we want to cut it out if it's not. Right. Oh, do you want lifting her up? Pushing down on the back. Just take the front up in the air. Tiny fraction more.